This is Sagar from Tutors Live. I'm the tutor at the Tutors Live. So in this video, I'm going to explain you guys about the DVD which is on sale at Tutors Live. So what does the DVD has? What do you get out of the DVD? Okay, and what happens when you use the DVD after, like, there are 12 classes in the DVD. So what happens after the 12 classes and what next? Okay, this is what I'm going to explain in this video. This video will not be more than 5 minutes, so just be with me. Thank you. So I'm going to explain a few highlights of the DVD. So the highlights of the DVD is that it's only 300 Indian rupees, and you will get the DVD packed and with no scratches, nothing. Okay, at your doorstep if you update your address at tutorslive.com. So this is only for the students at Tutors Live. It's not for everybody. So you have to register to get this DVD, and for future updates at Tutors Live. So I won't be discussing what Tutors Live does, so just get to know about it from the home page. I hope so you get something out of it. And the DVD has in total 12 classes of HTML and CSS. We discuss right from the basics of HTML, then move on to the intermediate concepts of HTML, then we see how we can style those web pages. I guess let me just show you guys what are the content inside the DVD. Then I'll discuss about the highlights later, maybe. So here it is. This is the DVD here. So these are the HTML classes, whatever we have recorded at Tutors live class. Okay, so it has right from the introduction of HTML. So every folder is a class there. So you navigate into it, you will find the video here and the class file which is shown in the video, and there's an assignment in every video. So let me just put it out here. So there's an assignment in every class. So what I suggest is go through the video, try to clone this without watching this file, then attempt the assignment. If you are stuck at any point of any point of time, you can pause the video, or go back to the class, like wherever you get confused, or you can also view the file where where I have written the code. So to view the file, it's just you need a notepad, that's it, nothing more than that. So this is, it says every class says something, and how to write this file is shown in the video too, so you don't have to worry about it. Then the next class is the text formatting and the image tags. You can see it here. Okay, this is what in there. So in this class you even have a notes, a PDF notes, wherein you can copy into your mobiles and check them whenever for a quick reference. And it has an assignment too, and a video including 2 files. So that's the best part over there. Then it's about we move on to links and tables. Like such, we discuss everything in the HTML, and there is an assignment explained too in the tables concept, which we have discussed in this video. Alright, so that's about the HTML class. And then you after the HTML class, the next concentration moves on to CSS, how to style your web pages. So again, the class is again divided, the CSS part is again divided into classes. Okay, there are 6 classes into it. Okay, and these 2 classes, the bootstrap and the layouts class, are a bonus classes. Like we implement what we have learned so far in HTML and CSS and start doing layouts here. Okay, so again, it has the class files, it has the video, it has an assignment too. So like every class has an assignment for you to understand what you have learned until now. Okay, so really you cannot really get this material from anywhere, trust me. These are all like custom tailored material for a better learning and better progress. Yeah, this is a live class. This is a live class, Satyanarayana. So I'm just explaining what are the contents in the DVD. Okay, so that is about it. So all classes are are not more than, I guess, 1.5 hour. So on average they are 1.5 hour. Okay, and you have the files here, you have the video here. Okay, so that's what the DVD has. So what happens when you learn all these classes? So if it's 90 minutes a class, so 12 classes, 12 into 90 minutes, it does not even come, it comes to roughly 18 hours. Okay, so assuming you practice 2 hours a day, so in 9 days, okay, in 9 days you finish off, you will be knowing how to build websites from scratch. Right from the scratch you will be able to build websites. And the other part I'm gonna tell you guys is that try attempting the assignments you can send back the assignments at any time to tutorslive.help@gmail.com. Even I told this in the videos too. So specifically every assignment, the subject should be a different subject, and send them to tutorslive.help@gmail.com, and we'll see how we can now put that your assignments on the URLs. I'm going to show you guys what my students have done. They have submitted the assignments, so you can also submit the assignments to get your own custom URL. So let me go back here. Okay, this is my students page. So here, see, I'm gonna show you Satyanarayan's assignments here. So every student has his assignment here. So that means you get your, if you submit your assignments, okay, then you'll get your own URL like this, okay, with your first name .tutorslive.com. Then you can showcase this to your friends. You can see the solutions, you can see the questions here, what kind of question we have asked. Like we have, this is the question page, like HTML first assign.jpg is the assignment question over there, and you can find the relevant video here, how to solve this particular assignment, and you can also find the feedback what the students has given here, so that you can get more insights into the video. So these are all the advantages of having the video, the DVD here, and the best part is it's only 300 Indian rupees. So I hope this will help you out in the long run, finding out building better classes, and do subscribe with us so that you may receive an email regarding the discounts and the offers which are at Tutors Live in the coming classes or recorded classes. Alright, I hope you've got what you're looking for. Alright, have a great day, have fun.